Yes, so now we are discussing about cosmetics business. In that today we are discussing about liquid soap. What is liquid soap? Liquid soap is a type of soap in liquid from generally used in homes, hotels and restaurants as a form of soap dispensed from a bottle or soap dispenser. Basically, they are used under two categories such as commercial including restaurants, hotels, institutes and quick service restaurants and residential. And next point is how is liquid soap made? Combining a potassium hydroxide solution with various carrier oils and cosmetic butters makes liquid soap. Some carrier oils do better in liquid soap and some are best if left out are used in some smaller quantities. Potassium hydroxide KOH is the caustic substance used to turn skin loving oils and butters into soap. And next point is which chemical is used is liquid which chemical is liquid soap. Sodium hydroxide is used to create bar soaps, while potassium hydroxide, a more water soluble metal hydroxide, is used to create liquid soaps. Next point is what is liquid soap used for? Liquid soap is a very strong cleaning agent which can be used for laundry, dishwashing, house cleaning, hand washing, etc. Now we are discussing about what is liquid soap used for. Liquid soap is a very strong cleaning agent which can be used for laundry, dishwashing and house cleaning, hand washing, etc. You will need basically SLS, CDEA, STPP, table salt, fragrance and colorant and water. SLES stands for sodium laureth sulfate. Next point is which liquid soap is best. Here are our best liquid bathing soaps for fair skin. Dove Deep Moisture Body Wash, Olay Ultra Moisture Body Wash with Shea Butter, QEI Paris 10% Skin Lightening Shower Cream with Currant Oil, with Carrot Oil, Pure Egyptian Magic Shower Gel, Fair and White Brightening Shower Gel, Idol Shower Gel, Extract Luxury 24K Gold Shower Gel. Next point is are liquid soaps better? If moisturizing effects and a strictly rich lather are on the top of your priority list, then liquid soaps are the way to go. However, from a purely health conscious standpoint, bar soaps contain fewer chemicals and do just as good as a job in preventing the spread of germs as their liquid counterparts. And next point is what is the principle of liquid soap. Soap making involves the hydrolysis of a triglyceride using an alkaline solution, usually lye, chemical name sodium hydroxide. Triglycerides are typically triesters consisting of three long chain aliphatic carboxylic acid chains appended to a single glycerol molecule. And next point is what is an example of a liquid soap. Floating soap. Castor soap is an example of liquid soap. Next point is liquid soap good for the skin? Liquid facial cleansers and body washers are usually better than bar soap for two main reasons. They tend to have a pH level, that is acidity level, that is closer to your skins. They often include moisturizers which are good for your skin. And next point is why is liquid soap the best? More liquid soaps contain moisturizing ingredients and can be kinder to sensitive skin In terms of fragrances, some people have allergies to fragrances while others simply don't like them added to their soaps. Next point is, what is liquid organic soap? Organic liquid soap Castile is a natural soap base made from saponified organic oils of coconut and sunflower. This base has a mild pH that will not dry out the skin and can be used as a shampoo, body cleanser, hand wash, or even as a mild laundry detergent. And next point is liquid soap good for bathing? You can use liquid soap, a hand soap bar and a body soap bar interchangeably. If the goal is to get clean, feel free to grab whatever you have on hand for your shower. And next point is liquid soap natural? Natural liquid soap is made with natural ingredients and it doesn't contain any harsh chemicals. The ingredients are usually oils or fats that have been saponified, which means they have undergone a chemical reaction with lye to create soap. And next point is, what is the pH of soap? 9 to 10. Majority of the soaps have a pH within the range of 9 to 10. Majority of the shampoos have a pH within the range of 6 to 7. And next point is, what are the qualities of liquid soap? Cleansing, hardness, lather, fragrance, and conditioners are essential factors to produce a generally better product. Soap manufacturing companies like these products properties into account during production. Next point is, what are the raw materials for making liquid soap? Raw materials for soap production: mineral oils, soft and smooth skin; pigments, a splash of color; essential oils, the magic of memories; preservatives, to combat pathogenic microbes; SSLS, that is sodium lauryl sulfate, and SLES, sodium laureth sulfate; facts and myths; thickeners, the perfect consistency. And next point is, does liquid soap expire? Soap does expire, but if it still lathers when you wash your hands, it should be effective. More commercial store-bought soaps expire after 2 to 3 years. Natural or handmade soaps may expire sooner, within 1 year, as the essential oils and fragrances can get rancid or moldy. And next point is, which soap is chemical free? CAMIA, handmade cold pressed organic sandalwood soap, SLS free and from artificial color, fragrance, petroleum, sulfates, and phthalates, vegan, cruelty free, 125 GM. This is the information regarding soap. Which soap is chemical free means this is the information. So around 3 years of time it will be expired, the soap. So we should use it within 3 years of time. So it is comfortable. So this is the information regarding liquid soap. Liquid soap is always hand wash, is very comfortable. Yes, the hard soap means you should remove the hand and like it. But liquid soap not likewise. Once if you put liquid on the hand, you can rub it and you can use it very easily. So liquid soaps are also useful for hand wash especially. Wishing you all the best.